The little cloud who wanted to rain. The cloud is born. High up in the sky, where the sun shines brightest, a tiny fluffy cloud was born. It was as delicate as a feather and shone like a pearl. The cloud gazed down at the world below with wonder. It saw colorful houses, green forests, and the vast blue ocean. It felt like it was in a fairy tale. The cloud wants to rain. The little cloud looked at the wilted flowers and the sad trees. It wanted to help them, but it didn't know how. It asked the wind what to do. The wind chuckled and said, "You need to gather a lot of water, little cloud. Then you can rain." The wise old sun. The sun, which saw everything, smiled at the little cloud. "Don't worry, little friend," it said in a warm voice. "Just travel across the sky and collect water from rivers, lakes, and oceans. The more water you collect, the bigger you'll become, and the easier it will be for you to rain." The cloud collects water. The cloud set off on its journey. It flew over the roaring sea, calm lakes, and rushing rivers. With every drop of water it collected, it grew bigger and bigger. It felt like a giant fluffy cotton ball. The cloud rains. When the cloud was as big and heavy as it could be, it burst. Thousands of tiny raindrops fell to the earth. The flowers immediately lifted their heads and began to drink. The trees rustled with joy, and the animals ran around on the freshly sprinkled grass. The whole world came alive. A rainbow. When the last raindrop fell, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. It was like a giant, colorful bridge connecting the sky to the earth. The little cloud was very happy that it could help everyone.